Hello everyone, I'm Amit Thakur from Team Catalyst Coders, and today we are presenting our solution for SIH 2025 with problem statement SIH 25038, a blockchain based blue carbon registry and MRV system. In simple words, we want to fight climate change and help coastal communities to earn money by protecting nature. Let me simplify our problem statement. uh, what happens is that companies produces a lot of carbon dioxide, and government tell them either reduce it by balancing it by purchasing carbon credits, but reducing carbon dioxide is tough and expensive. Current carbon credit system have many issues like fraud, fake claims, and lack of transparency. So at the same time, India's coastal area have mangroves and seagrasses, plants that absorb 5 to 10 times more carbon dioxide than a normal forest trees. But local people who protect or plant them don't get any direct benefit or a huge opportunity which is wasted by them. So for that we have a potential solution. Our solution is a blockchain based platform that connect these communities with companies. Here is how. Uh, First, communities, NGOs or panchayat, they plant mangroves or seagrasses, and then they upload project details like a GPS, location, photos, videos, and all those information on our platform. And then our MRV system, monitoring, reporting, and verification system, checks the work, and local verifiers visit, and AI checks the photos to catch duplication or any fraud. And third, once approved, our blockchain smart contract create a unique carbon credit token, and it it is very secure because it can't be faked or show the real carbon dioxide absorption. And fourth, companies buy these tokens directly on our marketplaces, and these payments goes straight to the community's wallet, which is very simple, transparent, and fair. And let me highlight our technical aspect. We build this as a web app in React.js, and we will make it into our Android app for rural use. And for blockchain, we use the Ethereum smart contract with the wallet integration via Metamask, and data is stored in MongoDB, and remaining the information are stored in IPFS decentralized storage. And our AI is the key. It checks the plant type and flags like is it fake or relevant uploads, making verification as much faster. We also design dashboards for every role, government, NGOs, verifier, and companies. And the platform works even in area with poor internet. So what are the benefits? Benefits is in 3 years we will restore 10,000 hectares of blue carbon ecosystem, absorbing half a million ton of carbon dioxide per year. That is like removing 1 lakh cars from the road. Massive. So socially, over 5,000 new jobs or coastal communities economically 50 to 200 crores revenue in 5 years for these communities, and the companies save 20 to 30% cost, and the government get a trusted transparent MRV system. And plus, mangroves also protect the coasts from storm and erosion. So what makes us differentiated than other competitors? What makes us unique? Actually, we focus not only our carbons, the most powerful carbon dioxide observers. Uh, Actually, we implement blockchain, and blockchain makes our system tamper-proof. AI makes verification fast and cheap, and we also build some multi-language support, interactive maps, and even fractional credit trading for small businesses. Uh, this is not just a platform; it is a complete ecosystem. And climate change is the biggest challenge of our generation. Our platform is a solution that helps the plant support communities and saves cost for companies. So that is the introduction part of our entire project.